Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Natalie. Social media automation doesn't need to be expensive. With free tools, you can optimize content creation, scheduling, analytics, and engagement. Let's discover the top 3 social media automation tools of 2024. Let's get into this. The first one from this list is SocialBee. SocialBee is a popular social media scheduling tool that can really help you stay on track with all your social media profiles. SocialBee offers scheduling for major social platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Google Business. It employs a category-based scheduling system, allowing easy cross-platform campaigns. The AI integration generates captions and images while Copilot plans your content strategy. It also features content libraries for organizing past posts and recycling content. Alongside advanced scheduling, it provides reporting, analytics, and collaboration features. SocialBee's workspace feature is ideal for agencies managing multiple clients. Overall, it's an affordable and comprehensive social media scheduling solution for individuals and business owners thanks to its affordable plans. Number 2 is Later. Later is ideal for visual planning and Instagram content strategy. Later stands out for its visual-oriented approach. It's not just about scheduling posts. It's about crafting a visually appealing social media presence. So if you use a social media platform where images reign supreme, like Instagram, this tool is the one you need. You can drag and drop your posts in a calendar view, seeing exactly how your Instagram feed will look before anything goes live. And this feature is a game changer for brands and creators where aesthetics are essential. It offers the best time to post feature to bypass guesswork out of scheduling, using data analytics to determine when your audience is most engaged. It provides multi-platform support, including Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and TikTok. So this is a versatile tool for business and creators who want a cohesive presence across the social media spectrum. Number 3 is Crowdfire. This is one of the more affordable social media scheduling tools on the market. It includes a feature-rich post scheduler and content calendar, allowing you to publish to major social platforms like Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Pinterest. Crowdfire provides a tailoring feature to optimize posts for each platform and an automatic best time to post option. It also helps create content, analyze post performance, and monitor brand mentions. Small business, in contrast, can access all tools for free with up to 3 social accounts and 10 monthly posts. In addition to scheduling, Crowdfire can also help you to create content, analyze your post performance, and monitor brand mentions across social platforms. For smaller business, all the tools that Crowdfire offers can be accessed for free. Paid plans under $10 offer more posts and accounts. Crowdfire is an affordable and comprehensive social media management tool that offers the perfect balance of features and affordability. Number 4 is Meet Edgar. This is an innovative social media scheduling tool that really takes the hard work out of the scheduling process. And with this, you can create a library full of content that's organized into categories. The tool will then automate your campaigns to ensure that you are consistently posting evergreen content on all of your social channels. I particularly like this categorized approach to social media scheduling. It makes it easy to keep your social media calendar organized. When it comes to creating new content, Meet Edgar can also help you out. If you don't have time to craft a post, simply input a link to a blog you think your readers will find interesting, and the tool will automatically select a post-worthy code that can form the basis of your post. The tool will also auto-generate 5 variations of every post you create so that you can repurpose it for different social channels. So if you simply don't have the time to create content, this is the right tool you need. The last but not the least is Napoleon Cat. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools for social media management, including scheduling, analytics, and Google My Business integration. Its standout feature is the ability to automate responses to common questions on social media, saving you time and ensuring your audience is engaged. While Napoleon Cat's full feature of features comes at a price, its free trial period allows you to explore its capabilities. The scheduling features include an easy-to-use content calendar that allows you to publish posts to Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google My Business from one single dashboard. Napoleon Cat also offers tools that can help you add automated comments on your posts and call to actions buttons, discount codes, and more to your Google Business offers. However, the standout feature of Napoleon Cat that makes it perfect for customer service teams is the social inbox. Using the social inbox, you can manage all your social media interactions, from responding to comments to offering customer support via direct and personal messages. Plans start from 27 months billed annually and 2 weeks free trial available. With these 5 top free social media automation tools, you will be able to save time, stay organized, and grow your online presence in 2024. I want to know if you did know any from this list. Please share your opinion on this in the comments down below. In the meantime, I suggest you watch this next video waving on the screen right now. In it, I show you how you can create and build out an Elementor loop grid with a custom filter so your users can easily sort out your content. Thanks for watching. My name is Natalie. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the like button so I can rank higher in YouTube algorithm.